What is up, everybody? I am Mumphy. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, thanks for joining. Today, I gotta say thank you to each and every one of you who participated in the t-shirt giveaway. Today we're picking the winners. I will be using the YouTube comment selector to choose 5 winners that will receive the Tacoma grill t-shirt that I designed. Thank you so much for all your support, your comments, your likes, and hopefully you guys will subscribe and we'll get this channel going even more. I'd like to do these contests monthly if possible, but yeah, let me know if you guys would like to see more of these. Hopefully we can kind of grow the contest even more and more, but for now, let's get these 5 winners picked. So here we go. All right, everybody. Now let's select the winners for this contest. So what I'm using is a website called YouTube Comment Picker. You can check it out online. I've already gone to the video, thanks to all my subscribers. We'll go to YouTube Comment Picker. We'll drop in the URL. I'm going to filter based on a specific text. So we'll make sure that that's clicked on. I have shirt, so if you followed the instructions and typed in, yes, I want a shirt, and then your shirt size, this should find our winners. So here we go. We'll go to get YouTube comments. We've got 29 comments. Thank you to everybody again who did this. Now let us start the raffle and pick our first winner. All right, Victor Hernandez, congratulations, man. You are the first winner. We'll get a double XL out to you. And remember, it's the Tacoma grill shirt. It'll be in a gray instead of the white. And we'll get that out to you. All right, let's pick. Let's pick our second winner. Ang. Hey, man. You won. Congratulations. I'll get that out to you. All right, time for our third winner. All right, Victor, you've already won, so what we're going to do is we're going to do another one. So we'll hit this off, get somebody else. Terry Shrivener. Hey, man, thanks for your support. You are our third winner. Time for our fourth winner. So here we go. We'll just pick another one. All right, Phil Broliard. I hope I didn't butcher that last name, but hey, thanks for the comment, thanks for the support. You're our fourth winner. Let's make sure that I get you there. And our fifth and final winner for the Tacoma shirt, Kenneth Sampson. Thank you so much for all of your support. I appreciate everybody who follows the channel, who's subscribed. Hopefully we can grow the channel some more. Look forward to you guys' shirts. If you are a winner, please DM me. You can DM me at Mumphy_taco on Instagram. Just send me a DM over there if you're on there, or you can message me through the YouTube and we'll get in contact with you so we can get these shirts out to you. So thank you so much to everybody who has followed and supported the channel. Once again, I know I can't say it enough. Thank you guys so much. I'm looking to hopefully hit 1,000. My goal is 1,000 by the end of May. That's the anniversary of when I got my Tacoma. I'd love to do bigger and bigger giveaways as we go along. So thank you for all your support. Stay tuned for more videos, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.